Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to auto record on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here you have in the bottom right corner, you have the spotlights where you can check out some of the videos. You have stories for your friends and everything. You have your camera and your chats and the location in the left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can go and auto record on Snapchat. So basically what you need to do is we have some steps here. So step 1, 2, and 3. So step 1 is to open Snapchat, of course, and tap on the plus icon. Then scroll to timer and tap on the plus icon. Step 2 is to tap on the timer icon. Use the video time slider to set the duration of the timer. And step 3 is once it's done, tap on the set timer. Now tap on the camera button. After the countdown, Snapchat will start recording for the set duration. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.